Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT is equipped with the black pack as well as the sport appearance pack. Really nice combination. You've got your blacked out running boards there, black mirrors, black badges, keyless entry remote pad, power mirrors, powered seats, power adjustable foot pedals, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Go ahead and turn it over. You do have your nice infotainment system here with your trip and fuel, towing, off-road status, and driver settings. Cruise control on the left here, media controls on the right with hands-free calling. Sync 3 sound system. Above that you do have an auto start stop button and a plow button as well if you ever have a plow installed. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Your media controls, trailer backup assist, and then climate controls down here with the heated seats. Over here you have a 12 volt outlet and a 400 watt household plug. And then your center console. Come around to the back, you notice your blacked out 4x4 badge. Your rear tailgate. Trailer hitch installed there. You get a rear view camera right below the tailgate latch. Built-in tailgate step and a drop-in bed liner. You do have LED box lighting on the sides there and a rear window for the passengers. And then taking a look into the back seat here. These back seats do fold up for more storage under there. Rubber floor mats. You've got 2 more cup holders in the back, another 12 volt outlet, 2 more USB ports, and another household plug. Can charge up to 6 devices in here. Room for papers over here, and then cloth seating in the back. You have a nice stitching here on the cloth seats. Really sends the sport appearance package off. Nice view of your panoramic moonroof up here as well. Back around to the front now. You've got your black housing headlights with LED headlights and fog lights. Mesh grille here with the black Ford emblem in it. Really nice spec'd out F-150. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today, talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this truck.